Yeah, hi. Myself, Avin. This is my wife, Softy. We are in Bangalore for more than 10 years now. And I'm an engineer basically, and she works in management. She's in operations actually. So we were staying near Keya earlier. Now we bought a flat here in Whitefield. It's almost very far, but we decided to choose Skyline Spaces. It is very close to my apartment. And we came to know about Skyline through one of my friends. In fact, actually I started with a different interior some time back, and it turned out to be very costly and really unreasonable in terms of design and everything. So, and when I met Imran, he's the head of Skyline Spaces, right? So his attitude was very impressive. He was very polite. He explains things well. He understands our needs. So it was very good experience working with him. So entire Skyline team was too good in coordinating everything from the beginning, from the design phase to complete till the handoff. So I was very pleased with this overall the experience, and especially I wanted to name our designer Faral and the coordinator Azim. So they did a good job in coordinating all the teams like electrician, plumber, or maybe all other extra work which is getting done from the third party also, right? Those were also very done very good manner. Overall experience is very good.
So I have to say working with Skyline was an absolute pleasure. Basically they have given attention to detail. I think we have changed our request so many times and they were able to accommodate that. And Imran and team has done a very good job. Even in the last minute when we requested for some changes, they were able to accommodate that. From the beginning, I think the decision we have taken, choosing Skyline was the best. It was very cost friendly and they were very cooperative from the beginning. They were helping us to choose the right things. As you know, when it comes to a home, that's a dream place for everybody. So it was we have given so many reference to them, and they were able to help us with the ideas from there. And almost I have to say I will truly recommend Skyline for my friends whom are our age is looking for a very good interior design.